Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, you know that I have a Velotric Discover 2 e-bike. And today I want to discuss about the seat. The seat's pretty comfortable for a stock seat on a bike. Most of the time you have to change them out. This one ain't bad. This is pretty decent, but I'm having some issues, some hip issues on my left hip, higher up where I sit, you know. So I was looking to see if there was anything a little bit more comfortable. So I picked up a new seat from ROCKBROS. ROCKBROS is a US company, bicycle related products. If you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below for their website. Okay. And if you're also interested in this seat that I purchased, there will be a link in the description for this as well, if you're interested. It is an affiliate link. I do receive a small commission, but no extra charge to you. If you're interested, check it out. Anyway, relatively inexpensive. So I picked up a comfort seat. I don't know how good this is going to be, but let's see how it is. It comes in a bag, and there's some instructions here on the bag. Let's open it up and see what it is. You get a little wrench, and you get an Allen key. There's a couple different ways to mount this on to your seat post, depending on what kind of seat post you have. Okay, we'll get into that later. And it's, let me see, nice Ziploc bag. I'll put the tools in here, wrapped up. Okay, nice seat. Got a little breathing room here so you get some air. It's got some shocks here, I guess, you know, like right here. It feels way softer than my seat. So this is the comfort seat. All right. That comes, you know, they have like, it's got a little reflective decal right here. I got a black one here. There's a different colors. I don't know why. You know, there's like yellow, blue, red, whatever. I got just plain black. Okay. And on the back, so if you have a regular seat post where you could just slide this in, you just slide this in and tighten this up. I don't need this part, so I'm going to be taking this part off because all I need to do is hook on to the rails here, and I'll show you that. Now to take off my seat, I'm just going to slide it out of the post there, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I just need to loosen this up and I can put my seat right on there. Okay. I just want to show you something real quick. So it looks like, you know, my seat has the same cushions, you know, air cushion there, whatever, shock absorber, but this also has a handle to help you pick up your bike too. But I just wanted to show you the thickness on this. Side by side, I don't know if you really tell. This one is a lot thicker, a lot more padding. Okay, just wanted to show you that. So I don't need this part, so I'm just going to use the little wrench that they had, and maybe there we go. Just loosen it up and take this bolt out. Oop, because I ain't going to need it. Okay. There we go. And I can just take this all apart. Put this back together to keep it in case I need it for another bike or something, you know, or something. You never know. You need extra parts. Okay. I just need the rail. Okay. So I need a, all right, so on mine, I need a 5mm. I'm just gonna loosen this up. Come on. How long is this thing? Okay. All right. There. Finally got it off. There we go. Slide that in there. There. Slide it in there. All right. Now it just clamps over this all. You just put it on this button. It just clamps right on over. Now you can just tighten it back up. And you can slide it back and forth depending on how you want it on your bike. Okay. I'm just gonna tighten it up and get it to where I kind of want it, and then I'll adjust it when I get it on the bike. Okay. And there, I have it on there, pretty snug. Now I'm gonna put it on the bike. Now we'll just take it, slide it right back in the tube. Now you want to angle it. You can angle it. Try it right there. I'm gonna tighten this one up. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna probably slide this all the way back and tighten up the side. Really tighten this up now. Well, to 9 Nm, but okay. Okay. Now let's see what it feels like. Oh, this one. Woo. This one is way softer, I can tell you that. All right, now I'm gonna go take it for a ride and see how much more comfortable it is. All right, well, I'm on my bike now, so let's take it for a quick ride. I can already tell that I'm gonna like this. This is way more comfortable than the stock seat on my Velotric. So, yeah, ROCKBROS Comfort Seat. Not that expensive. So, all right, let's get my bike going here. Let's check this out. Oh. Oh yeah, way more comfortable. Oh yeah. Might just have to make a few more adjustments to get it the way I want it. But let's just see here. All right. Yeah. Yep. I think I just got to tilt it up a little bit and I'll be set. But oh yeah, this is way more comfortable. Oh yeah. Now, I'll have to get another one for my wife's bike, because she'll want this. I can tell you that. Oh yeah, way more comfortable. ROCKBROS. Check them out. But yeah, I'm quick ride to the park there and back. I'm back to my house already, so I'm just gonna adjust this for a little bit more. But this is good. So, like I said, if you're interested, there'll be links in the description below for ROCKBROS website. They have a lot of all the different products, a lot more. Bumpy, my driveway. They have a lot more different kinds of seats and stuff. I just needed a comfort seat. They got pro seats and all this other stuff there. They got all their products. They got bells, your little, little ding bells. They got pedals. They got a whole bunch of stuff. Bags. Check them out. Link will be in the description below. And if you're interested in this seat here, link will be in the description below for this seat. A couple different colors. Check them out. And if you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit all those YouTube buttons. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment. What do you think? It is way comfortable. I highly recommend getting this. It is way more comfortable than stock seat. And that's all I need. I'm not a professional rider where I'm going to need long, but this, oh man, I could ride long on this. I can tell you that. And yeah, if you want to watch more of my videos, guess what? There'll be another one up here if you're interested. See you in the next one. Till then, peace.